Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to let you know how you can use the Kwik Trip gift card within any pump. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will need to purchase a gift card from Kwik Trip. In order to do this, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kwiktrip.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Kwik Trip website. From the homepage, scroll down and click on Car Wash and Gift Cards, and then click on the Shop Now button underneath Car Wash and Gift Cards. You will now see the gift card option at the right. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on this, you will be asked to choose your gift card design, as well as the amount that you wish to load into it. Go ahead and enter your desired amount, and then choose your design, and enter your desired quantity. You can then click on the Add to Cart option, and proceed forward with your payment, and after your payment has been made, you will receive your gift card within the standard delivery date. Once you have received your gift card, you can look at the various locations by clicking on Find a Store, and within the store that are mentioned within, you will be able to use this gift card in order to fuel up your vehicle. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to use a Kwik Trip gift card at any pump. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.